Matshidiso Moئیتی, World Health Organization Regional Director for Africa, announced Thursday that 8 African countries have so far reported confirmed monkeypox cases, with several more countries reporting suspected cases.
Turning now to monkeypox, I can confirm that there are now a total of 1,900 confirmed cases in 39 countries across the globe, including 8 African countries. There have been 36 confirmed cases in Nigeria, 10 in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, 8 in the Central African Republic, 3 each in Benin and Cameroon, and 2 in the Republic of the Congo. Ghana and Morocco, which have not previously recorded cases of monkeypox, now have 5 and 1 confirmed cases, respectively. Although we're certainly not recommending mass vaccination at this stage, we must ensure that we are ready should the need arise.